Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. I told you guys last week that I bought two shoes and they both came in separate packages. The shoe last week was popped up on me. I didn't even know this shoe was here, but this shoe I knew that was here. So if you guys want to know what shoe it is, stay tuned. All right, well, let me not tease too long. Let's see if I can get this off. No. Second time in a row. Last week we didn't get it. This week we're not going to either. So anyway, so I happen to be perusing the site. You guys know what site I was perusing. And I happen to see this shoe. And of course, we got the black Air Force One box with the silver Nike and Air Force One logo in the middle. So you guys know, yes, I picked it up a Air Force One. Last week you guys saw it was Jordan. This week is the Air Force One. So let's read the box. What did I get? This is a women's Air Force One 07 SE. The colorway is Phantom Sanddrift Black White. This is a women's US size 9. And let's see. All right, here's the inside of the box. You know, the typical normal box right here. And oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's soft. It's really soft. Ooh. I love a good soft squishy shoe. It makes me happy. So let me pull the shoes out of the box. And let me guys show you. These are the Air Force One Sherpa Sanddrift, I believe that's what these are called. Let's make sure. These are called the Air Force One Sanddrift Sherpa. I was correct. Here is the straight on view of them. Here's the inside of the shoe, the back of the shoe, and the sides. All right. I couldn't remember. I knew it was Sherpa in the title. So the colorway, like I said, is Sanddrift. What did it say? Phantom Sanddrift Black White. All right, Phantom Sanddrift Black White. Let's put the box up here. Let's do that. Let's put the box on the desk so I don't have to reach back. So I am going to guess the Sanddrift is going to be the predominant color all across the shoe, which is the brown. I am going to go with the Phantom probably being the swoosh, possible. I'm thinking the Sanddrift is also going to be on the outsole, and the white, of course, is going to be on the swoosh. And the tongue, I'm going to, yeah, the laces are white also. Also, the sock liner is white with Nike written in black on the inside. I think they kind of, the way they wrote Nike on the inside looks like it's very 60s. I don't know, it kind of gives me 60s inspiration. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research. I may pop in here so you guys, or when I show you guys the styling, I may give you guys a little bit more information on these. These are really cute. I really like these. I'm gonna have to go, as soon as I get done, I'm gonna have to spray them. I'm gonna have to go ahead and hit the spray on these real good, because these are a suede and Sherpa on the swoosh, and on the back the Sherpa material. These are a very nice and smooth shoe. I need to make sure I'm positioned here. These are a really smooth shoe. I like this. This is a good fall winter shoe. So I'm gonna stop rambling and get on to the styling portion of this video so you guys can see how I style these shoes out. And I'm gonna have to think on this one, because I think I got some stuff in here that I can do with this. So let's get on with the styling portion. Okay, and for this outfit, this is a two-piece from H&M with the Coach Pillow tabby bag. This is a nice, comfortable, like pajama looking set. that, you know, you can wear, you know, wherever. You can roll up the sleeve, you know, make it even more casual. You can button it all the way up or leave it halfway unbuttoned like I did, or you can even take the sleeve down. I mean, this outfit is really nice and comfortable, and with the shoe, it looks even better. That's why I love it. Now let's see the shoe up close and personal. Let's pull up those pants legs, and there's the shoe in natural light. The colorway on this shoe is perfect. It's a nice neutral colorway with hits of white and hits of black with the Nike written in the 60s letters. There's the inside, and yes, my camera blurred on me, but that happens sometimes. But you can kind of tell what the shoe looks like all together, and there's the outsole right there. So yeah, this shoe, super comfortable. The second look, I went with the sweater coat from Target. The sweater that I have on is from Banana Republic. Skirt is from Old Navy, and the bag is Stand Studio. It is the puffer flat bag. I believe that's what it's called. I don't even remember what it's called. I want to put the shoe on with a nice skirt, kind of dress it up, dress it down really. And here's the shoe up close one more time with the skirt, so you can see the skirt a little bit better with, so you can see it better with my leg. But yeah, this shoe is really nice. I love the colorway. It's nice. It's neutral. And yes, I did spray the shoes soon as I finished filming. So yeah, I love the suede and the different materials on the shoe. Okay, I hope you guys liked the fashion styling that I did with these shoes. So while you guys were watching that, I was looking up the shoe and the whole thing about the logo. I mean, the way they wrote Nike on here, and I remember I just said 60s. So the headline in Sneaker News says Nike Air Force One Low SE Phantom, that's what these are called, adds groovy logos. So it says Nike continues it with its far out concepts, bringing a new logo type onto the Air Force One. Described as a variation of a groovy hippie style typeface, with its new style as appeared on the Air Force One Low SE. Replicate with its own unique batch of details. Now seen on the Phantom / Sanddrift colorway, its upcoming 82 Classic sees a plush interior in white with the same felt-like material spilling over onto the heel tab. The swoosh logo is finished with a fuzzy material, a blend between felt and velour, but hairier, and the insole sees the grid pattern covered with that refreshed Nike logo, surrounded by psychedelic flowers. I hate reading out loud, just to let y'all know. There are likely more colorways of this Air Force One Low SE coming, so stay tuned. So they are going a little groovy, you know, peace and love. I guess maybe I could have had on some really big sunglasses and a flowery dress and a flower in my hair or something. That would have worked with this shoe if I would have looked this up. So this is called the Nike Air Force One Low LE Phantom. So like I said, there's always at least 2 to 3 different color sneaker names for these shoes. So like, what was it? The Air Force One Beetroot. I found out it was called the Roman Empires, which I was like, okay, so that's why Caesar was on the top, which is crazy. So these are also called the Phantoms. So I'm going to get in one more time so you guys can see the shoe up close in artificial light, but I will also show it in natural light. Let me see if this is, make sure it's not catching me. All right, so you guys can see the shoe right here. So what was it? Sherpa, Phantom, Phantom, Sanddrift, black, white. So Phantom, I'm thinking Phantom is the full shoe. That's my thought, because that article didn't say what was what. So the swoosh, I'm going to think, is the Sanddrift, or it could be flip-flopped. I don't know. We also have the outsole in a brown colorway. I think this matches. Let's do like this. Let's see. And I turn it to the light. Wow. This swoosh is really cool looking. It is hairy. It does make me think of felt, like a blankie. I can't wait to put my foot in here. I bet you it's like really, really soft. So, but yeah, I'm like veering all off on this and everything. Turn the shoe this way. I know I'm going all off, but this shoe is pretty cool. It's very groovy. So you got the Phantom Sanddrift black white. Your black is going to be on the Nike logo on the tongue and on the back. Also on the Nike on the inside of the sock liner, along with the groovy flowers on the inside with also the grid pattern. Your white is going to be on the tongue, also on the back of the shoe and the midsole. I'm going to say the Sanddrift is most likely the swoosh on the shoe, and I believe the Phantom is the majority color on the shoe. That's my thought. If I'm wrong, I will pop in and tell you guys which way the colorway really is. I will find out and I will let you know. But that is it for this video. It is 6:41 in the PM. This was the second video that I filmed today. And tomorrow I have a marathon and I'm off. You guys will already know while I'm off some videos in front of this. Anyway, gotta go. If you guys like videos like this and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge for everyone, including myself. Also, if you guys want to read something, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I talk about a little bit of everything from sneakers, handbags, movies, music, marketing, whatever I feel like talking about at the moment, at the time. So I'm gonna get out of here. Like I said, it's after 6 o'clock. I need to get this makeup off, get in the shower, and start all over again tomorrow. So talk to you guys later. Love, peace, sneakers, handbags, tech, luxury, lifestyle, and all that fun stuff. Bye.